If there's one thing that I could say about the program is that it works, is that this program does create leaders for the agricultural industry.
The leadership program provides an incredible network. My classmates are so smart. They are really capable in each of their own individual areas.
And the nice part about our class was we were so diverse, where we had folks that worked in Extension, New Jersey Farm Bureau, and also production agriculture people like me. And it really gave me the chance to be able to learn and respect and understand what challenges that other farmers go through.
Many of us have expertise or knowledge in our little corner of agriculture or crop that we grow, would not ever see the inner workings of, say, aquaculture or an orchard grower or a greenhouse operation growing cut flowers.
I didn't just want the textbook understanding. I wanted to meet the people and have my feet on the ground and get these experiences so that I would be able to apply that in my work with the United States Department of Agriculture.
The two most impactful trips that we've had for ag leadership to me have been to Washington, D.C., as well as Trenton, just learning everything from the legislative process to lobbying.
Learning more about ag policy, USDA, American Farm Bureau, not just the important New Jersey Farm Bureau, but very valuable at the federal level.
We talk about assembly men and women visiting farms. It's the same concept. We get to go visit their place of work and connects you to your leaders.
Nearly every time we get together, there are alumni present. It's clear that the alumni are invested in this program, that they found value and want to mentor the newest generation.
I can call them, email them whenever I have a question or I want to learn more about agriculture in New Jersey. They've become in my inner circle.
I am joining a generational network of Class 1, Class 2, Class 7. The leaders in agriculture in New Jersey identify themselves by the leadership development class that they were a part of. It's incredible.
Without a doubt, this program makes people into a version of themselves that is going to exceed what they otherwise would have done.
I really appreciate that focus on personal development and leadership because it does convert into things that I can take action upon in the day-to-day.
The art of listening, I've taken that in as a leader in our extension office, and as I'm working with either clientele, fishermen or shellfish farmers in our office, I've really taken those skills to be a better communicator, to help make progress on issues, to understand each other and to be understood.
This program produces leaders. I probably would not be on the state board if having not been exposed to how it functions at a very young age. I grew up on a nursery and I knew plants. I knew how to grow roses and lilies, and I knew that really, really well. But because you spend so much time on the farm and you don't spend enough time off of it, you don't get exposed to those things.
The amount of things that you get out of this class, educationally, socially, the networking, the people you meet, it's just such a benefit to not only your personal, but in reality, we're making all of agriculture in New Jersey stronger